FreeCash is marketed as a legit rewards app, but after months of use, many users call it risky. Yes, it pays out through PayPal, crypto, and gift cards, but earnings are tiny, usually just a few dollars a week. And surveys often disqualify you mid completion. Worse, offers fail to track, support is limited, and recent App Store or Play Store removals have fuel data concerns, as you can see here. So in their Reddit, they just posted a user called Sidekick Energy, who is a free cash community manager, posted an update on the App Store removal and addressing the data rumors. So this is literally a red flag. And Reddit reviews after 20 days, even 6 months, confirm the same pattern. Here uh, you can see this one: inconsistent earnings, hidden fees, and frustration with customer service. So the verdict is that free cash isn't an outright scam, but it's misleadingly promoted. Treat it as pocket money at best, not a reliable side hustle, and be cautious with your data.